Hi parents! Okay, today we will learn how to teach our children to spell words based on picture. So firstly, we should prepare the pictures for they refer to and a paper for they write their answer. So today we will use a picture based on this letter. Okay, we have sheep, we have skin, spin, swim, slug, trap, and stop. Okay, parent, let's practice. Okay, parents, let's start. Sheep. Now we will spell sheep. S-H-I-P. Sheep. This picture shows skin. Skin. Now we will let them spell skin. S-K-I-N. Skin. Next one is slug. S-L-U-G. Slug. Then we have a picture of spin. Look, this children is spin. S-P-I-N. Spin. And this sign of stop. Stop. Now write stop. S-T-O-P. Last but not least, we have swim. A picture of children swimming. Okay, S-W-I-M. Swim. Lastly, we have trap. T-R-A-P. Trap. We are done. Okay, parents, it's better to spell together with children. Good luck. Bye-bye.